Dear students, today in this video I will tell you about the balanced diet and nutrition. Each and every person want to become fit and healthy because fitness and better health can provide all the pleasure in the life. For stay fit and healthy, they perform various activities in appropriate manner. For doing each and every activity, we require the energy. And the source of energy is food. Food and nutrition are vital important factor in the growth and development of a person, especially when a person is in games and physical activity. Games and physical activity need the fitness of the body. So, the best nutrition is required to perform better in the field of games and sports. In this video, I will teach you about some of the important topic which is related to the balanced diet and nutrition. These topics are mentioned below. Food and nutrition, meaning and concept of balanced diet, parts of balanced diet, importance of balanced diet, functions of balanced diet, factors affecting balanced diet, nutrients and its types. In this slide, I will tell you about the introduction of balanced diet. The food which we eat is known as diet. Food is the basic requirement of every individual to fulfill the energy needs and to meet the development of the body. Nutrients are the energetic food in our diet consist of various types of essential chemicals for our body. Nutrition is the science which deals with nutritious diet and its importance for the individual. Balanced diet. Balanced diet is that diet which contains all nutrients, macro and micro, like carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, etc., in correct proportion for efficient working of the body. Balanced diet is a nutritious diet which provides sufficient energy for workout and helps in growth and development of an individual. It protects individual from various health problems, illness and diseases. Our balanced diet divided into three parts: energy yielding food, body building food, defensive food. Energy yielding food consists of carbohydrate and fats. These food help to provide energy to individual for his workouts or activities. The carbohydrates should be 60 to 70% in our diet, whereas fat should be 5 to 10% in our diet. Carbohydrates are easy and good source of energy, whereas fats are difficult to digest and hence difficult to get energy from it. Body building food consists of proteins. It helps in growth and development of the body. It helps to repair or replace the worn out tissues. It provides faster recovery from injury. Proteins should be 15 to 20% in our diet. Defensive foods consist of vitamins, minerals, and water. These foods help in proper functioning and defense of various organs. This diet improves the immune system of the body. It helps to defend against infection, germs, diseases, etc. This food should be 15 to 20% in our diet. In next slide, I will tell you about importance of balanced diet. Balanced diet is the most valuable factor for the human life because this is the energy source for the life and even for the survival of every living creature. Diet and nutrition promote the good health and fitness in the body, and then a person is able to meet out his day-to-day work which is necessary for the life. Functions of balanced diet. Balanced diet provides sufficient energy to the body. Balanced diet helps in developing optimum level of growth and development. Balanced diet helps various organs and various systems of the body to function properly. Balanced diet helps to repair or replace the worn out tissues and helps in faster recovery from injury. Balanced diet improves the defense of the body against various bacteria, virus, and fungal diseases. Balanced diet improves the overall health status of the individual by preventing various health problems and diseases. Balanced diet improves the metabolism of the body. Balanced diet prevents individual from various deficiency diseases. It provides all important nutrients. Balanced diet helps in maintaining the body weight. Balanced diet increases the efficiency of all physiological system of the body. It improves the overall efficiency of individual. There are various factors which affect our body: age, gender, profession, body weight, sufficient roughness, climatic condition, eating habits, and social customs. These all factors affect our balanced diet. Age plays an important role in our diet preparation. Like in growing age, the children need more proteins. But in old age, people should avoid protein and fats and take more minerals and vitamins for maintaining good health and fitness. Gender difference causes variation in diet. Male needs more calories as compared to female. Workout or profession is also the factors which affect our diet. Person with heavy physical workout need more calories than those with less physical activity. Body weight is another factor which brings difference in our diet. The person having obesity should take fibrous food, whereas slim or lean person need more proteins and fats. Roughage is non-nutritive food but very essential. It satisfies the hunger. Climatic conditions also affect the diet, like in hot places, the food should be less fried. In coastal region, the food should be more liquid. In cold places, food should contain more proteins and fats. Eating habits and social customs are also the factors which affect our diet. Some people are in the habit of eating fast food, whereas others do not like it. Similarly, in the some custom preference is given to non-vegetarian food, whereas in some custom preference given to vegetarian food only. In next slide, I will tell you about the various essential chemicals which is required to the body for their proper functioning, growth and development. Nutrients, chemicals found in food that are critical to human growth and function. These essential chemicals are necessary for health and growth of the body. There are two kinds of nutrients, macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are required in large proportion in our diet, like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and water. Macronutrients include carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. They are the main source of energy and body development. Micronutrients are required in small proportion in our diet, like vitamins and minerals. They are considered as supplement food. Micronutrients work in cycle with macronutrients to keep the body functioning. These are crucial in order to maintain energy levels, metabolism, cellular function, physical and mental soundness of the body. These are most necessary for the chemical reactions in our body. Vitamins can be divided into two parts, such as fat soluble vitamins, water soluble vitamins. Vitamins A, D, E, K are fat soluble vitamins. They are soluble in fat. Vitamin B and C are water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are stored in liver and fatty tissues, whereas water soluble vitamins are not stored in our body. So we need them more frequently. Water soluble vitamins can be destroyed by heat. Vitamins are the organic compounds which required in our body in less amount, but these are important to carry on the life. Minerals also can be divided into two parts such as macro mineral or major mineral, micro mineral or trace minerals. Minerals are inorganic nutrients. These have the important role in our body. These minerals found in food and essential for growth and health of the human being. Calcium, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, chloride, magnesium, sulfur are considered as macro minerals. These minerals are required to the body in large amount in comparison to the micro minerals. Iron, zinc, copper, manganese, fluoride, chromium, selenium, iodine, these are the micro minerals which require to the body in less amount in comparison to macro minerals. I hope this video will help to you to understand about balanced diet and nutrition.